Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. This video is related to a dog whose name was Hachiko, an Akita dog born in Japan in 1923, is renowned for his extraordinary loyalty, adopted by Professor Haiseburo Uno of Tokyo University. Hachiko formed a routine of waiting for his owner at Shibuya Station every evening. After Ino's sudden death in 1925, Hachiko continued to wait at the station daily for nearly 10 years, hoping for his master's return. This unwavering loyalty captured the heart of the Japanese people and has since become a symbol of fidelity. Hachiko's story is commemorated with statues, annual ceremonies, and has inspired numerous books and films, making him a beloved and enduring cultural icon. Hachiko, the loyal Akita dog from Japan, is widely known for his unwavering loyalty. Here are some lesser known and intriguing facts about Hachiko. Early life and background. Birthplace. Hachiko was born on November 10, 1923, on a farm near the city of Odate, Akita Prefecture, Japan. Original name. His original name was Hachi, which means 8 in Japanese, symbolizing good fortune. The ko was added later as a term of endearment. Relationship with Professor Uno. Adoption by Professor Haiseburo Uno, a professor at the University of Tokyo, who brought him to Tokyo in 1924. Routine. Hachiko would meet Professor Uno at Shibuya Station every evening after his return from work, a routine that continued even after the professor's sudden death in May 1925. Hachiko's vigil. Continued loyalty for nearly 10 years after Professor Uno's death. Hachiko continued to wait at Shibuya Station every day for his owner's return. Support from locals. The station staff and local vendors were touched by Hachiko's loyalty and fed him, ensuring he was cared for during his vigil. Recognition and legacy. Number 1. First statue. A bronze statue of Hikachu was erected in front of Shibuya Station in 1934, with Hikachu himself present at the unveiling ceremony. This statue was melted down during World War II for metal, but a new one was erected in 1948. Hachiko's death. Hachiko died on March 8, 1935. An autopsy revealed that he had terminal cancer and a filaria infection. His remains were preserved and are displayed at the National Science Museum of Japan in Ueno, Tokyo. Cultural impact. Number 1. Annual ceremony. Every year on April 8, a ceremony is held at Shibuya Station in honor of Hachiko's loyalty, attended by hundreds of dog lovers. Number 2. Films and books. Hachiko's story has inspired several books, films, and television shows, including the 2009 Hollywood movie Hachi, A Dog's Tale, starring Richard Gere. Memorials and tributes. Hachiko statues in Odate. There is also a statue of Hachiko's in his hometown of Odate, celebrating his legacy. Number 2. Joint statue with Uno. In 2015, a new statue was unveiled at the University of Tokyo, depicting Hachiko reunited with Professor Uno, symbolizing their enduring bond. Interesting tidbits. Posthumous loyalty. Even after his death, Hachiko's loyalty continued to be celebrated with various statues and monuments erected in his honor. Cultural symbol. Hachiko has become a symbol of loyalty and fidelity in Japanese culture, often referred in literatures and media. Hachiko's story continues to touch hearts worldwide, serving as a timeless reminder of the profound bond between humans and their pet. I hope you have liked this video, so kindly like, subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.